For this page, we're just going to show our percentages. We're going to start with a fraction or decimal, and we're going to show that in a fraction bar. And we're going to then show this as a fraction out of 100 and also on the hundreds grid and as a percentage. So 0.25 on my fraction bar, I'm going to divide this up into half. Do a little bit better job here. Half is probably about there. Half and half will give me 0.25. So there's my 0.25 that I'm looking for. On my hundreds grid, 0.25, I know that's a quarter, so I'm just going to split this up into quarters like this. Now you could do it any way you like. You can do 25 as two strips of 10 and a strip of 5, but I'm going to do this 25 as 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 groups of 5 on a hundreds grid. So it looks like 1/4. And then 20.25 as a percentage, I'm going to move the decimal point over 2 places, and I get 25 out of 100, which is 25%. 0.3 on my fraction bar. There's lots of ways I can do this. I can kind of just estimate what 30% is. I'm going to do it like this. I'm going to divide this into half, and then I'm going to try dividing that into 5 equal parts as best I can. So those are 10 parts, and I know that 0.3 is going to be 3 out of 10 parts. Okay, I'm going to shade in 3 rows of 10, 10, 20, 30, so that represents 30% on a 100 grid. Out of 100, it's a fraction of 100, so it's just 30 out of 100, and I just move the decimal point over 2 places, 1, 2, and I get 30%. 0.85 is 85%. Yeah, I'm just going to estimate this one, maybe somewhere around there. That represents about 85%. Okay, that's a decimal. If that's 1 and that's 0, 0.85 would be somewhere about there on the number line. I'm going to shade 85%, so I'm going to shade 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that shading represents 85 on the 100 grid. It's going to be 85 out of 100, and moving the decimal point over 2 places, 85%.